Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the power cord before beginning. To replace a lower door hinge on your refrigerator, first remove the screw securing the upper hinge cover and pull the cover off. Next, remove the screw to release the grounding wire. Disconnect the wire harness. Now support the door as you release the locking lever and pull the upper hinge off. Pull the door forward, lift it off of the bottom hinge, and set it aside. Use a 10mm socket to remove the two bolts securing the lower hinge to the frame. Remove the two screws to fully release the old hinge. Install the new door hinge by positioning it on the frame, then replace the screws and bolts to secure. Realign the door on the new lower hinge pin. Align the wires in the slot in the upper hinge pin. Now insert the pin into the door and align the slots in the hinge with the tabs on the top of the cabinet. Secure the hinge with the locking lever. Reconnect the wire harness. Align the grounding wire and replace the screw to secure it. Open the refrigerator door, reposition the hinge cover, and snap it into place. Reinstall the screw to secure. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the door opens and closes properly.